Hey everyone, welcome back to FixLab Pro. Today, I'll show you hidden Windows 11 features you've probably never seen before. These tips will save time, boost performance, and unlock powerful tools built right into Windows. So, let's start the video. First up, Clipboard History. Normally, when you copy something, it replaces the last item. But with Clipboard History, Windows saves multiple copied items. Just press Windows plus V to view your clipboard history and paste anything you've copied recently. You can even pin important snippets for later. Next is the legendary God Mode. This feature gives you access to over 200 Windows settings in one place. To enable it, create a new folder and copy and paste the name given in the description of this video. Now open it. There are a lot of features in there. You'll see a hidden control panel with every advanced setting right at your fingertips. Then I will show you how to type with just your voice. For this, press Windows plus H and then say what you want to type, and your voice will be converted into text. Through this, you can write text without typing. Here's a powerful productivity feature: virtual desktops. Press Windows plus Tab, then create multiple desktops for different tasks. For example, one desktop for work, another for gaming, and one for studying. Switching between desktops is super fast with Control plus Windows plus left or right arrow. Now, the feature that I will share with you is custom screenshots. This feature will be very useful in your daily work. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. Now you can take a screenshot of the part you want to take a screenshot of by marking only that part. See here, I have taken a screenshot of only that part which I have marked. And in this way, you can take a custom screenshot. The next feature is Customize the Start menu. If you normally click on the Windows button of your PC, you can see the power option here, with which you can shut down or restart your PC. However, if you want, you can add some more icons here. For this, first go to the Setting option. Then, click on Personalization. Here, click on Start. Then, click on Folders. You can see many icons here, such as Settings, File Explorer, Download, Music, Picture, etc. I turned them on. Now, you can see that when I click on my Windows button, all the other icons that I turned on are here, along with the power icon. As a result, your PC use experience will be better. I will show you another feature of Windows Start menu. When we want to open an app, if it is not in the Start menu, we have to click on All Apps and find the app. This wastes a lot of your time. If you want to get rid of this problem, click on the Windows button and go to All Apps. Then right-click on the app that you use regularly, or the app that you want to keep in your Start menu. Then click on Pin to start. As a result, the app you pinned will appear in the Start menu. If you want, you can also unpin any other app from here. For this, right-click on the app that you want to unpin and click on Unpin from Start and unpin it. In this way, you can customize the Start menu as you like. And there you have it. 7 hidden windows, 11 features you've probably never seen before. Try them out and make your PC even more powerful. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like it. You can comment on any problem you have. Thanks for watching.